Modernizing the workplace can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With Comstar, your business technology ally, you can create a secure and connected environment with innovative IT and managed services, unified communications, physical security, and audiovisual, all boxed up and tailored to meet your needs. Keeping employees safe is paramount. Comstar offers touchless, flexible, and secure solutions to safeguard your assets without sacrificing the visitor experience. Once your building is secure, you can focus on keeping your workforce connected with unified communications to cultivate collaboration and continuity seamlessly from any location or device. Today's meetings require state-of-the-art audiovisual services and video integration to foster teamwork and make decisions from the boardroom to the home office and anywhere in between. And when the meeting ends, continue to boost productivity while managing your bottom line with virtual desktops supported by secure network configuration and lightning-fast connectivity. Think of it as a fully managed mobile workstation on demand, backed by Comstar's support team. Need more? Comstar's virtual CIO can assist with any part of your IT journey, from budget development and planning to vendor consolidation, ongoing IT assessments, and more. And when it comes to the heart of your organization, where sensitive data is stored, you need to protect your servers, manage backups, and protect your business from serious and costly issues. By tying together physical security and cybersecurity with Comstar, your business is safeguarded both virtually and physically. Managed by a team of certified professionals 24/7, 365, Comstar provides peace of mind and the ability to focus on scaling and growing. So when embarking on this critical journey of digital transformation, partner with Comstar Technologies. Think business, think technology, think Comstar. Visit comstar-usa.com to modernize your business today.